I have the Samsung Galaxy S23 and I'll be showing you how to mute incoming calls on this phone. Now there are plenty of ways you can do this. One is to press any button on the right hand side of the phone, so either the power button or one of the volume rockers. As soon as the call comes in, press that button and the call is gonna be muted. As you can see, it's not been dropped, but it's been muted and the incoming call is still ringing, and you can go ahead and receive or decline or do whatever you want to. The other way you can do this is by using one of the volume rockers. Okay. The other way you can do this is by flipping the phone to cover the screen. And as you can see, the phone is still ringing, but the incoming call has been muted. You can also do this by just covering the screen of the phone with your palm. So when the call comes in, it gets muted immediately. And that's basically how to mute incoming calls on your Samsung Galaxy S23. Before you can be able to do that covering of the screen to mute calls, you have to enable that option in the settings. So if you go into settings on the main settings page and then scroll down to advanced features, you can tap on that and then go to motions and gestures, tap on that, and then you should see mute with gestures and make sure this is enabled like that. That's the only way you can be able to cover your screen or flip the phone like this to mute incoming calls. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below and good luck.